Hey guys, I'm gonna do a little video here about my trunnion kit on these LS rockers. Supposedly this rocker is plenty strong for whatever, but you gotta push out. I used a socket just bigger than the thing. I took all those out, and now I'm putting, because the little needles, supposedly they can get loose in your engine. It's a bad thing. So I bought this trunnion kit from Summit, and basically it has a solid brass bushing, a new pin, and it rides in there kind of like a journal bearing. But the kit, the instructions showed a couple washers for spacers, and you use a press and stuff, maybe an arbor press or a shot press to press them in. But my kit didn't come with the washers, like it said in the instruction manual. I don't know if you're forgotten or if people just don't use them anymore. So I had to get creative. I took just 2 pieces of 1/8 inch steel, drilled holes in them, and then I reamed them out so that it is just barely bigger than that hole, but obviously smaller than that. And then I'll show you how basically I get doing this. I'll take the bushings out, set them here on my freshly cleaned workbench. I'll take one of the rockers, and now basically you got to push these in, but you have to use your brain, do it in the right order, or you won't be able to get this in. So you push one side in, put this in, push the other side in. So here, I'll try and get the camera set up here. Basically you take this, put this in. Doesn't really matter which side you go first. Using a shop, just a regular bench vise. Get it squared up, push it in. So far, I've done about half of them. It's all going on rather easily. If it's tough, don't fight it. You'll just damage something. So that one's in, flush to the outside. Then you put this pin in, okay? Doesn't matter, you can only put it in one way. I put that in. And then one of the spacers I made is just carefully drilled hole. It just barely fits over the thing, but obviously it's smaller than the bushing. Put that in. And you can only go a little bit because the pin obviously is wider. And that's where the its twin comes in. You kind of center it in there so that it's held in. Get down in the vise. A little bit further, and then you just ram the second one home. That's it. They're both in. And then most of these kits come with these C-clips. I've been putting mine all in the same direction. I mean, I don't have OCD, but maybe I do. But use your little clip pliers. Spread that out. Put one on. The other one. And that's it. Done. And here comes the wife. So, hope you guys watched. Thanks.
I'll be back. I'm taking him down to the